Mokibo is a full-size keyboard, in which the keyboard is also the trackpad. Now with Mokibo, you get a keyboard and mouse trackpad combination all within the real estate of just a keyboard. Basically, Mokibo is a good-feeling keyboard, like a standard laptop keyboard. However, slide your fingers over the keys, and you'll see the magic. You can scroll using 2 fingers just as you would a standard trackpad. You can bring up the dock with a 3-finger tap, and make a split view by dragging the icon. If you select a paragraph and move it like this, you can paste it into another application. Cursor movement is very smooth and accurate. All this is possible on Mokibo with very little arm movement. All this is possible because Mokibo integrates a familiar pantograph keyboard with a precision touch sensor beneath. The hidden Mokibo trackpad is almost 3 times larger than some premium trackpads. The keyboard also includes multimedia and escape keys. Not only that, Mokibo can be paired with up to 3 devices at the same time. One Mokibo can be switched from one device to another on your desk with the tap of a key. It supports not only iPadOS, but also Android, Windows, and macOS. One more thing. The Mokibo cover allows for a variety of screen angles. And this includes the optimal angle for Apple Pencil use.
Hi, I'm Jeff, a Mokibo inventor. Mokibo has released 2019 and has received a lot of love from you. We have enhanced our technology further, and we are going to launch Mokibo Folio this year. 5 years ago, Mokibo was just a dream, but now, with your help, it has become a reality. Please help our next dream come true. Thank you in advance. Your next keyboard is not a keyboard.